Hello friends, let's quickly look at the analysis of Nifty and we'll be discussing some stocks as well. So first we'll be discussing about Nifty futures. This is 15-minute chart for futures one. And if you see, I was just discussing yesterday, if you see my analysis video about yesterday, you'll see that I was reluctant to further go on the shorter side. If you see, I was just mentioning that if in any case there is a movement like this and we are getting a pullback after breaking previous day's low, then there will be a possible opportunity for going short. But exactly that did not happen. You see, sorry. The moment we got this big candle at the opening session, and after that we were just getting very congested candles, couple of candles. You see, lot of buyers here. It went around 60% of this previous candle. Then it was dragged down. In the next candle, it was surely indecision. Now the candle, if you see 15 candle around 10 p.m., but it started at 10 a.m., sorry, then it is also a indecision candle, but with a very positive bias. Now, the people who have already seen my 618 trading strategy, they would have already taken this trade like this. You see, 61.8 retracement coming somewhere around 17,863. Now, if you would have just entered around 61.8, you would have got a small loss as well. I mean, there would have been some redness in the positions MTM, but your stop loss would have been somewhere around here. Let's get at the 3 minute candle, 3 minute chart. So, if you have already seen my video of 618 system, you would just try to know how to analyze the swing lows. You see, swing like this, and a new low formed. These are the lows getting formed consequently. A new structure high, higher low, and a new structure high. Somebody might have opened position here, but with a stop loss. Then again, we made a new structure low. You see, this is a new structure low which was formed after triggering these highs. You see, now this is a new structure low. Now you go up, a pullback, again a new structure high. You see, that means this particular lower high has been broken to the upside, thus making a short uptrend. Now, subsequently, if you see pullback is going down, lower low, this is a lower high. Sorry. What happened? Something happened here. Okay, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a very small new structure low here. This depicts that momentum of buyers is pushing in and sellers are getting out of the party. So in that scenario, what we do exactly, we just measure 61.8 retracement of this new structure high. You see, of this new structure high which is being formed here, and we will be entering the position somewhere around 61.8 retracement of this particular swing, which comes somewhere around here. Now this would have been a very clean entry with a possible stop loss of 46 points, and you will be getting very good risk to reward here. In fact, this is the analysis which we do as per our system, which if you haven't seen, I will just ping in the discussion section and you can check out there. So this is what it was, the price action today. Now, after it has good momentum to the upside, now I am now looking for a long position. I'm not looking for short positions going from here. Whatever the market is going to give on Monday, that is different thing. But our simple strategy, because this momentum is very good, it may give a small pullback like this, and once it is able to go above this, there again will be a positive pullback here, and this will be your entry point. Don't enter at just the breakout. It may be possibility that you may get the pullback here. Why it's not drawing? Okay, it may be a possibility that you may get a pullback here or here. Just wait for that. Be patient in entering the position. Do not haphazardly just jump into the trade. Getting? So this would be a very good position to enter long side on indices. Let's cover the stocks as well. M&M, as already discussed, we already got entry around here. If you have taken a position, you should move your position stop loss for the position here and let it do its action here. And if it is able to go upside, you will be keeping the trailing stop loss simply behind the swing low. For new positions, buy above 1337 with a stop loss of 1318. This is M&M. Next one is PNB. In fact, PNB did not show a good momentum, and other PSU stocks like Canara Bank was going very good today. But nonetheless, it's the stock which we are working. Entry above here, that was easy. Good momentum in couple of candles. Now a deep pullback. This might be a position where you should be moving your stop loss somewhere around 56. Wait for this to break upside, or it may be a possibility that it will be doing something like this choppy action and then it will be getting up. In that case, you will be moving your stop loss here. For fresh positions, buy around 57.5 with stop loss around 56. This is it for PNB. Next one is Cholafin, around 4% up move. Entry was quite simple, around 688. You see, we already had a very small pivot here getting formed and a break. This is very clean and you know textbook kind of entry. A small pullback here, a pivot or a pullback, whatever you like to call, and clean back out. And you would have raised the entry around 688, or just rush into the momentum. For fresh positions, I don't see any pivot or swing getting formed here, so you should wait for that. In fact, if you have already got into the trade, I will be suggesting you move your stop loss somewhere around 695. You should move your stop loss somewhere around 695. In that way, you will be locking some profits and just trailing behind. Let it form something like this. Wait for this scenario. Once this is formed, you see, pull back for this high, for this upswing, a small retracement for this swing, and then again a break. This means that entire swing from here has completed. Wait for this, and after it starts moving like this, move your stop loss somewhere around here below the swing. You see, this is the logic. Simple as that. Next one is Rain Industries. It is having a good momentum. It has broken from consolidation forming from 3rd Jan, and today is 13th Jan. 10 days of action. Just like this choppy action, now it has broken up. If it is having the real momentum, if it is having some real buyers, then it will surely be going up above 180.15, 185.15 by here, and keep your SL around 182. I have given 182 assuming that this smaller flow is completed, but there might be a possibility it might do something like this and then break. So whatever the exact point of this correction is, where it is getting ended, just place your stop loss there. So that will be your trade in Rain Industries. Okay guys, if you do like the content which I am sharing, whatever the analysis is, we have already shared a strategy for 618 system, which is very good strategy if you want to follow on any stock. And the next one is, I keep on discussing this one. This is momentum breakout strategy, which we apply on the stocks which are moving in a very good momentum either side. So I won't be sharing too much strategies, because if there is someone who is sharing lot of strategies for every season, for every other day, for Monday there is another strategy, for Tuesday there is another strategy, then I'm pretty much sure he is not trading. He's just trading on social media, plain and simple. The guys who are really trading, they will be having couple of strategies. That's it. One is trading, one is 618 system, which is a pullback strategy, and the next one is which I keep on discussing here. There are few more. I'll be sharing that as well in the coming future. So if you want to just know the strategies and get into how they are working, just you can watch the playlist videos I'll be pinning down in the description. And thanks for supporting. If you have not subscribed the channel, you can subscribe it. And for getting new notifications every time we upload a video, do not forget to click the notification bell icon. So have a good weekend. Till then, thank you very much.